Hi guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Abhishek Anand.
Hey, hi guys, welcome to the C Sharp session, and I'm Abhishek Anand. In this session, we will walk through all the topics which we are going to cover in this particular series, and this is actually a first level of C Sharp series, and we will be covering up in the next level of C Sharp series in another one. Okay, so here you can follow me on the Facebook on the given link, and you can subscribe my channel on the given link. I will post the link in the description window, so you can go through that and you can subscribe my channel and you can follow me. Thank you. And so let's go to the what all the topics we will be covering up, right? So this is the prerequisites you need to have. These topics we will cover, and C sharp first program we will cover, and we will see in the terminology, and we again after that we will see the all types of keywords. Then you can then we will see the class and methods, and then we will see the access modifiers. Then we can see the variables. Okay, then we can see the data types. Then we can see the operators, what operators we are having over here. Okay, so and next we will see the conditional and looping statement. Okay, and then we'll see the arrays. Then we'll see the collection and generics, then tuple, then exception handling, then oops concept. Okay, that's it. So guys, see, in all the series, right, in all the series, in I mean to say in all the chapters, okay, we'll be doing the practicals also, and with the terminology what we are using in the code. So I'll be explaining all the topics using the code only. I will not be explaining the what is the definition of class, what is the definition of this and that. Okay, so each and everything I will be explaining through the code, not from the theory, like what is C sharp, what is .NET framework. I will tell that, but it's not like I'll fully go to the I mean to say theory, and we'll not do the practical. We'll mostly 90% will do the practicals, and then rest of all a little bit is the theory. Okay, so guys, you can follow me on my Twitter profile, LinkedIn, and you can subscribe my channel in YouTube channel, and you can follow me on Facebook. So these all the links I'll be providing this in description box, so you can go through that and you can check it out. Okay, thanks from this session, guys. Next session we'll see the prerequisites, and how to how from where we need to get downloaded, and um, we'll create one repository, and we'll post up to the we'll in next session we'll post that repository link to the description window. Okay, thank you. Thanks for this session. Thanks for watching, guys.